Welcome to my channel. We'll be right
Yep.
back.
Oh,
Come on,
oh,
Come RNG.
what?
Slime RNG, doofus.
Oh yes, I'm playing Slime RNG, guys. Sorry, there's like a ringtone going on in the background. Alright, I'm rolling another slime. I just played one. Finn! I got Finn!
Me too.
And I'm gonna roll one more slime. Ooh, I got Sunset. Cool. The upgrade. Ooh. Whoa. Backpack.
Ooh, 2x. 4x.
I'm gonna.
Oh my god, I got Buggy.
Nice. Whoa. That's so much. Should I get 2x enemy? And yeah, I'm gonna get free slime slot. Whoa. Why is it going down? Is this my signature? Oh, I have to unlock zone 2? Oh, I have 1,000 coins. What the heck? Buy that. And then.
Goofy whoopy. I have enough to.
Oh, wait, what the? Yo, I got Buggy!
I already have Buggy.
Oh, lucky.
Wait, how do you equip? That's
Oh,
backpack.
there's like a thing now.
Yeah, I see backpack.
Ooh, golden roll. Yeah, I'm gonna do golden roll and then 3 slots. Yeah, that's easy. Backpack.
Sunset.
Yeah. Gumpy. Yeah, I want Gumpy. There we go.
Oh, 2x. Oh, I got Leafy.
Then, yo, this game is called Slime RNG. It's one of the hot ones on the thing. It's on Roblox's homepage. Ooh, player. Ooh, you can do player stuff. Roll. I'm gonna keep rolling. Auto roll on and hide. 2x.
Sunset.
Ooh, I got Leafy.
I already have Leafy.
Aw.
Okay. I got Meow.
Meow. Again. Ugh. I'm having auto roll on hiding at the top. Ooh, I got Meow as well.
Meow. Oh, bonus. Oh, I got Finn.
Oh, I got another bonus. Oh, I got Sunset.
I got Finn. Ooh, GLO? GLO?
Oh, wait, luck. Yeah, I'm gonna get my luck. I'm gonna get my luck. Why can't I? There, what? Oh, there we go. Oh, I got another bonus? Oh, I got another meow. Come on.
Meow.
Okay, that'll be weird.
Meow.
Oh, I got 2B.
I got Sunset.
Oh my god, I have 5 goofies.
I got a Leafy again.
I want to equip my best. There we go. I have 2 cats.
Wait, hey, I'm gonna equip my best. Best.
Oh, we have a Geo? That's cool. Oh my god, bro, this kid has a real our friend.
I got Scorchy.
Oh, we got Scorchy? Yes, our friend has 2 Scorchies. An Orca and a Slake.
Oh, what just happened?
Yo, wait, 8x look! 16x look! Yo, I'm getting something big! I got Orca!
You did not.
Yes, I did!
No.
Once you get like something good, it has like a little animation.
2x? 4x?
Whoa, who just got some?
8x? 60x?
We got 60x!
What am I gonna get? 1 hour soda. Oh, I got an Orca too.
Nice, I got a Geo, let's go. Oh, I have 4,000 coins. What do I buy? 3x the enemies, yeah.
Wait, how do you get 3? Do you have to upgrade?
Oh yeah, you have to upgrade. You have to go to upgrade and then you have to buy auto roll and then you get free slots.
Oh, okay. Sorry. That was a stupid question.
That's fine, I don't care. Ooh, okay, my best.
Ooh, I got loot.
5,000 to get to the pool section, bro. Oh, what? I don't have anything to upgrade. Why is it being weird? Oh, it's loot. Yo, cheese! I got cheese!
Bonus. I got fed.
Wait, wolves? You can get... Bro, what the frick is this? Stop.
Sunset.
Whoa.
I got auto roll on, so.
Yeah, I had auto roll on. Leafy. I don't know what we can do for all this stuff.
Sunset.
Goopy.
Oh,
I'm just saving
2x.
up points to get to the pool. Ooh, 2x.
I got 2x. Just.
Yeah, I just got Leafy. Whoa, I got something big!
What?
What? Before... Yo, I got... What is it? I got Frankenstein.
Frankenstein?
Look goofy on me.
Wait, I got one. First try.
Whoa! You
Oh,
got
it's
Orca!
I got another orca, bruh.
Fine, you're pretty good.
I know.
Ooh, a bonus? I wonder what bonus is it.
It just gives you another turn.
Oh. Oh, it does?
Nothing crazy.
I guess that's good. But
Yeah.
I mean, like, you can get that with luck.
Yeah.
That's not that
I'm
good.
gonna turn off auto roll at 3. And a 2.
A bonus? Ooh! I got another one! Blue chips!
And a 1.
We're not 200. Alright, I'm turning off auto roll now.
2x. Damn it, fed.
It's fine.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna equip my best. Dang. That's my best.
Ooh, wait, I unlocked the next one.
Oh, I can unlock it too.
Go. Alright. Cooler. I got a magnifier in the polar section. I'm confused. Whatever. Oh wait, you have an index. Ooh, claim. Well, that's cool. Ooh, this base, big, huge, and shiny, and inverted. Well, there's like different kinds of slimes.
Oh, sunset. Leaf.
Ooh, I'm gonna get 4 slots for my slime, and then I'm gonna get the eggs.
Fed.
Now I equip my best. Yo, my best is an Orca, Frankenstein, the Brutus, and the Buggy. I want to keep auto rolling.
Okay. Me too.
This game is like, so addicting. I'm already addicted and I played 2 minutes of it.
Ooh, Brutus.
Brutus? No. Guys, honestly speaking, if you want to play another version of it, like another time of this, we just have to watch it.
We also might be posting a couple more videos today.
Yeah.
If he wants to, at least.
Oh, that's you too. Ooh, I'm gonna get lucky too. What? Thank you. How much? Bro, I have 13 rupees. Bro. Wait, oh, I got something big.
2x? 4x?
Oh, I got one. Whoa, what is this? Spike? No, I got spike.
2x? Damn it. Goopy. Leafy.
What's the shop? The shop?
Bonus. Sunset.
Well, I'm broke, so I cannot do this. 50,000 to buy the volcano. Bruh.
That's crazy. Oh, I got a lucky one. I got.
Oh, wait.
Oh, 1,000? Oh,
What?
I got spiky.
Nice, actually. Wait, I have a luck potion. No. Oh, once your slimes run out of health, they don't die. They just regen quickly. That's cool. What else do I want? I'm gonna try to save up 75k, but I also want to get the volcanic biome. Guys, subscribe. Guys, comment down below what game we should play next.
Yeah. Got really little idea, so. Yeah.
Okay, Luke's. We go here. Ooh, currency, but what the? Why am I? There. Currency bonus. Wait. Ah! Dude, so good. There we go. I got Brutus. So
Oh, I almost got an axolotl.
what the heck, bro? These slimes are huge. Look at these slimes. Come down here.
Dang.
These slimes are big. No one wants. Oh, 2x left. I got meow. Why I say meow?
Yeah.
Geo. No Geo. Great. I don't need any more of those. I have 9. I wanna feed these to Spike. Eat. Let's go.
2x.
Spike.
Then
Meow.
a goopy. One and 57.
2x left. 2x left. Ah. Leafy. So when we're gonna get something new? It's been a while since I got something new.
Yeah. I keep getting fins.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I keep getting fins as well.
Leafy.
I keep getting 2x luck and then I keep getting fins.
Scorchy.
Scorchy? I haven't got Scorchy yet, I think.
Bonus. Leafy.
Yeah, I'm saving up to get the volcano.
Me too.
Oh.
Bonus.
I don't need more player
Yeah.
walk. I don't need that. Oh, I got Scorchy!
Geo.
Oh, wait, yeah, I got Scorchy. Yeah, that's not that good.
Buggy.
Bro, how do I turn off notifications? Oh, the notifications.
Brutus.
Here. No, not notify me. Bro.
Bonus. Sunset.
Let me go to my settings. I want to turn off the notifications. Notifications. I'm gonna turn off notifications. Whatever, it's fine. But I almost have enough to get the volcano bio.
Nice. Me too. Wait, no, I can go. I can go.
Oh.
I'm gonna wait for you though.
You guys, if you're wondering why I'm playing on this account, it's because my other account got banned for like a year for saying hot. You know Roblox is making these dumbass updates.
Yeah. Oh, he should probably say that, but that's okay.
Dude, I'm 56,286.
Oh yeah.
Wait, can I hack into the volcano? Dang it, there's a bear right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I can buy it, let's go.
Me too. Alright, I'm coming. 400k to get to the next level.
It's so expensive.
Ooga booga. Alright guys, sorry about that. We were talking about something that we were gonna record a part 2 of this today. It's just gonna be right after this video. I got Frankenstein.
It's up slowly, so question. And see y'all next time.
See ya. Wait, hang on. One more spin. Wait, no. One more spin. Alright, see you guys.
Wait, after rolls, yeah, what the?
And peace. Oh, wait. I can't. Okay, for real, peace. 2, 1.